I'm going to collect some dirty water and put it under the microscope. As you can see, there's dirt in the water and even some tiny microorganisms moving around. Now I'm going to use this to pull water through the filter, and then I will put the filtered water under the microscope. The water already looks much cleaner. The filtered water looks extremely clean now, and I can't see any microorganism moving anymore. One important thing to keep in mind is that the LiveStraw can't filter out viruses, chemicals or heavy metals, so you should definitely be aware of that. Thanks for watching. I will leave a link to the LiveStraw in the description if you want to check it out.